Oh man, it's crossing everybody's line. Get them up here. It's a little heavy, I can't even bring them up. Let's go, baby, let's go. Bring them on up. I better hurry up, he's gonna fall back in. It's too much walking. Maybe I should go back on the pier. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go back on the pier. It's a little too much walking. Nah, I need to exercise. No. I'm not fully committed yet. Yeah, I'm gonna go on the pier. I think I came to the right place. Get away from that NorCal weather. Feels like it's summer over here. Man, that looks fun. People actually surfing, huh? In the middle of winter. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna follow this guy. He knows where the fish is at. He doesn't know I'm following him. I should walk a little slower. Ugh, what the freak? Big old pile of dog crap. I hope it has a little fish station. Okay, I'll be back for that. They got a couple fish stations. He still doesn't know I'm following him. Follow him to his secret spot. He said he doesn't know where the fish is at. Like I'm gonna believe you, dude. I'm gonna follow him. Today we are using the almighty worm. 1 dozen select night crawlers.
Coming.
Huh?
Maybe tomorrow coming, yeah.
Tomorrow?
The
The fish?
yeah. You use this bait?
I'm using the worm.
Yeah, sure.
What are you using? What are you using? For bait?
Shrimp,
Using shrimp?
mackerel, yeah.
Does the worm work here?
It's good, it's good.
It worked? Nasty worm. It's a nice place. Three or four 4 fishing poles. Right here's good? Or do I gotta throw it?
Maybe here. Only baby fish.
Baby fish?
This net.
I'm actually getting a bite. I can't believe it right away. Today's gonna be a good day. That's what that means. Come on, baby, just take it. Whatever it is, we're gonna find out. Just take it. Come on, damn it, take the damn thing. We're in business. I can see all the fish right there. Put on that good old cast master. Time to pull out the sabiki. The secret weapon. Secret sauce. Man, these sabikis are a nuisance. Get tangled up. There we go. Now we're talking. We're in business now. We are in business. See, everybody's catching mackerels. I'm the only one that's not catching anything. I got one, baby. Yeah, let's go. Fish on, baby. I'm in. I'm on the board if I could get them up here. Don't use them as bait. That's what everybody else is doing. Oh man, it's crossing everybody's line. Get them up here. It's a little heavy. I can't even bring them up. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Bring him on up. I better hurry up. He's gonna fall back in. Nice little mackerel. That's what I'm talking about. What is that? Doesn't look like a mackerel. Ah, damn it. These fish are feisty. Guess I just gotta grab them. Cold fish. What kind of fish is this? Smelt? It's good bait too?
Yeah, you can make it. Wait.
The whole thing?
Little.
Little bit. It's a smelt, he says. Ah! He says I should cut it up and use it as bait, but I think I could use the whole thing. I can use the whole thing too, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can get the big one.
Wow. I think he just jizzed on me. There we go. It's supposed to be a smelt, he says. I'm not sure what kind of fish it is, but I'll take his word for it. Nice little smelt. Yep. I'm gonna try to use the whole thing. They got some paper mouths though, so I gotta hook them on the back. This pole only has 8-pound test, so if this is a big fish, I don't know how I'm gonna reel them in. I think I need to get them back in the water. This guy's feels real dry now. Hook them right in the back. Should I just cut them up? Nah, I'll use the whole thing and see what happens. Man, this guy's jizzing all over me. Nah, I'll just cut them up. Alright, so I guess I should kill him right away.
Para may lipat na. Nandito sa pinagbuko eh. Kahit dito, binibigay ko sa'yo eh. Binibigay mo. Kaya na walang ballpen. Ha? Walang ballpen. Ilagay mo sa pinagbuko.
Back to the ocean you go. I'm gonna use the rest of you for bait. Just cut them up like I would cut up a sardine. No different.
Bigay mo mamaya na lang. Para matawagan mo nila.
Tough scales. Chunk bait. This is a fresh smelt. About as fresh as he's gonna get. He was out there living his life about a minute ago. Oh, I hate to put it like that. That didn't sound too nice. Man, it's tough skin. Definitely don't need no magic thread here. There you go, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go and get the big one. Man, that little smelt put up a good fight. Man, you got another one? Oh, baby, I got me another little one. About time. Fish on, baby. He's putting on a little fight. Putting on a good little fight. I'm not gonna lie, these little things are fun to catch. Woo-hoo. That's a mackerel for sure. Man, these guys are on hyperdrive. Jesus. Do they ever slow down? Whew. I'm gonna take them home for bait.
That's mackerel.
Mackerel?
Yeah. Maybe bait too.
Good bait too?
Yeah.
Big mouth.
Yeah. It's mackerel. But it's way big.
Green, huh?
Yeah.
Saltwater fish. You just put it in the bucket?
Huh?
No ice, no nothing?
Yeah.
I hope he's still good by the time I get home. Go to the store and buy some ice. Use it for bait when I get home. Man, look at that. Oh, mackerel has little tiny scales, huh?
There's some water over there.
Oh, there's water over there? All right, cool.
Yeah, yeah.
They got water over here, all right. This place is cool. Catching smelt, catching mackerel for the first time. Can't beat it. SoCal weather. Think I might move here. I'm just a man. All right, that should be enough. Oh, okay, maybe I need a little bit more. I'm so done, man. I didn't have to lift that thing up. I could have just moved the nozzle. I'm just a man who's just misunderstood. I guess I gotta put bait on my sabiki like everybody else. They're catching like 4 or 5 at a time. I'm over here barely catching one. They're all putting bait on their hooks. That's why I'm just leaving mine empty. But I guess I'm gonna change it up. Cut them all into small pieces. Put them on the tip of the hook, and that's that. You only need a little bit. I'm just a man who's just misunderstood. That should be enough. A little sabiki, a little bit of bait. Okay, maybe that's too big. Let's cut that in half. I'm just a man. I guess you gotta bait every hook on here, man. It's 5 hooks. It's a lot of bait. More than 5, 6 hooks. Damn it. But they're over here catching 5, 6 at a time on every hook. So I might as well switch mine up. I didn't want to get this dirty though. Damn it. Some cannibal fish, man. They're eating their own kind. You gotta catch a mackerel to catch more mackerel. Use them for bait. That's crazy. How the hell are they gonna eat each other? How does a species survive by eating each other? That's what I wonder. How does a species survive by eating itself? Doesn't make any sense. That's the spot. I put a bunch of bait on every hook on the sabiki rig. I am getting more bites since I've done that. dolphins over there. They said if there's a bunch of dolphins, I mean there's a bunch of bait fish around. That's why they're over here. Hopefully that's true. I can see the dolphins right there next to the beach. Man, this is amazing. Baby, I got me another one. Come on up. Come on up, baby. You little monster. This one looks like a little shad. It's so crazy how they eat their own kind. Little mackerel. Why would you eat yourself? Ah! Whew. Fresh little mackerel. The greenback. That is nice. Mackerel sperm on my hands. Fish, I'm pretty sure the worm will work if I cut it into small pieces. The worm probably work better. It's smaller. They'll just swallow it. Come on, baby. Fish on, baby. Go back home and open up my own bait shop after I catch all these fish. This one is a smelt. Smelt, yep. He bit the bottom one, the one with no bait on it. He bit the hook with no bait on it. What the hell? What's the point of me putting the bait then? Man, look at that. That's me in the morning. It's like you just had a wet dream. Oh, just jizzed in my face. Oh, goddamn. Laughing at me now. That fish just took away my manhood.